Okay, I'm going to show uh, how to install the tracetogether app. Okay, so mine is Android, so you go to the Play Store. But if it's Apple, then you want to go to your App Store. Okay, then you need to type. Okay, type together tracetogether, and just do a search. Okay, let's do a search. Okay, so you will find the app, and this is what it looks like. And of course, there will be an install button to click install. So once it's installed, okay, so you go to tracetogether as on here. Okay, so this is my tracetogether app. You would need to key your ID and profiles. Okay, so in the tracetogether app, it's very user friendly. It does a few things, okay, because it will require you to on your Bluetooth. It will automatically turn on your Bluetooth. Okay, so you got to enable that. When the thing installs, sometimes the OS will ask you whether you allow the device to control your Bluetooth and camera. Just allow everything. Okay, so for your Bluetooth, okay, what it does is that it scans the nearby people for contacts, okay, possible contacts, whether what they call exchanges, so you know who you're being in contact with. So uh, uh, next will be you will have your health status. Okay, so you got whether you are vaccine or not. This is very good. This is actually whether you have been exposed to any area that you need to be aware about. Let's say you went to a restaurant and everybody is well during that time, but the person has been exposed to COVID and went in the restaurant. So this thing here will say that you have been exposed and need to monitor your health. And of course, they're building new features, okay, like COVID test results and all that. I think the scanning, because safe entry, I think all of us know what safe entry is. Okay, so the next function that I use it for is for safe entry. And I think the safe entry is one of the best cameras around. It can take the QRs pretty efficiently. Okay, but of course, we scan and then we save entry using the QR code. Yeah, so you click this button, it opens up your camera to scan the save entry. Let's go back. Okay, next you can have your favorite. Okay, you add the places that you've been to. Okay, and then this will be your favorite. So you need not stand at the door, but you can just go and click and enter. And lastly, the function of groups. Okay, these groups is in case you got other people you want to add to the list, you add it to the list. Okay, so you can check it in all together. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Okay, so that is pretty much everything you need to know about the tracetogether app. In case you need to, for some reason, use a Bluetooth and need to pause, you can also use this feature to pause it for a short while, a few minutes or a few hours. And other than that, you can explore, the other functions. All these are pretty set, like your profiles and everything. Okay, so that is a tracetogether app. I think this is now a mandatory thing and also a very good thing to have. Please have it installed and running. Thank you.